Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how you can mine Shiba Inu Coin in HiveOS, and we're gonna use Unmineable, and the miner we're gonna use is LolMiner. Okay, so as you can see right now I'm mining SHIB on HiveOS using Ethash as algorithm. Okay, and we're gonna use Unmineable to be able to mine Shiba Inu Coin on HiveOS. Alright, so we can see that my worker name is Sons, and I have Sons right here under workers. And I'm also gonna share my referral code so you can mine Shiba Inu Coin for 0.75% mining fee instead of 1%. Okay, so we're gonna go and create a flight sheet so we can start to mine Shiba Inu Coin on HiveOS. And if you don't have HiveOS installed, you find the link in the description on a video on how to install HiveOS and how to set up HiveOS. Okay, so just log into your HiveOS account. After that, just go into your farm, go into your worker, go to flight sheets, and we're gonna go to this link, click on flight sheets, and here we have add new flight sheet. We're gonna select the coin, so you're just gonna type in SHIB and hit enter, like so, because we will not find Shiba Inu Coin right here in the list. After that, we need to add a wallet. Just click on add wallet. We're gonna add a Shiba Inu wallet address. So I'm using Binance. You find the link in the description. If you don't have Binance, you can just create an account, and after that just log in. And disclaimer, this link is an affiliate link. That means I will get a small commission if you sign up through my link. But as a thank you, I will give you 5% kickback commission. So in your Binance account, just go to wallet, go to fiat and spot. And just go right here and search for SHIB. Go down to this one, SHIB, Shiba Inu. Go all the way to the right and click on deposit. We're gonna select the network. So I'm gonna select this one, BSC, because this one is much cheaper to send Shiba Inu Coin to Binance. If you go to Unmineable, we see that we can switch network. I have Beep 20, and with this we also have a less threshold to pay out Shiba Inu Coin. At the moment it's 250,000 SHIB. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to change that, but just choose this one, BSC, if you are on Binance. And after that, just copy this address, go back to your flight sheet, and just paste your wallet right here. You can name this to whatever you like, so SHIB, Binance, like so. You can choose source if you like, so I'm gonna choose Binance. You can save this as a global wallet if you want to reach this from multiple farms. After that, just go and click on create. We're gonna click on select pool. We're gonna click on configure in miner, and we're gonna select LolMiner, because if you have an LHR card like I do, LolMiner will have this LHR unlocker. We're gonna click on setup miner config, and after that we're gonna select wallet and worker template. So we're gonna add the coin. So we're gonna go to start, we're gonna go down right here, and we're gonna add this information. So coin, your address, your worker name. Okay, so we're gonna add coin, colon. We're gonna click on this I and choose our wallet. So click on this one, and after that we're gonna add a dot. Click on this I one more time and choose worker name. Okay, so this will provide the information from the wallet and information from the worker name. After that we're gonna add a hashtag, and we're gonna add the referral code. So this one, we're gonna copy this. So XFGH -E7FP. Okay, and paste it right here. If you want this pre-edited, you can just go to our Discord server. You can join and go to coins to mine and click on Shiba Inu. Just click on this one and you will have the preset right here. Okay, otherwise just add hashtag XFGH-E7FP. So this will give you a 0.25% less mining fee. After that, we're gonna add pool server. We're gonna go to Unmineable. Gonna go to start, and we're gonna copy this global server. Okay. So if we go to LolMiner and we go down right here, we see information about if I have 6 GB memory or up, we're gonna use ETH hash. If I have 3 GB or up, we're gonna use ETC hash. Okay. So in my case, I'm just gonna use this one, ET hash. Just copy this, go back and paste it right here. Okay, we're gonna select coin or algo. So I'm gonna go and select ETH hash, and if you have 3 GB and up, you're gonna use ETC hash. Okay. For pass, we're just gonna add X, and for extra config, we can click on this I. If you have only NVIDIA cards, you can click on this one. Only AMD cards, click on this one. Or if you want to select specific GPUs to mine on, you can click on this one and select the location of your GPU. In my case, I'm gonna choose NVIDIA. And we're gonna choose the latest version of LolMiner. And that's it. We're just gonna go and click on apply changes. We're gonna name this to whatever you like. After that, we're gonna go and click on create flight sheet, like so. And now we're gonna go to the worker, click on your worker. We're gonna go to flight sheet. We're gonna select your flight sheet, so this one, SHIB flight sheet new, and just go and click on this rocket. And this will start the miner. So now we can go to overview. And now we can just wait maybe 1-2 minutes and click on update browser to mine. And like that, now we can see that we have hash rate right here. We can see that we have the flight sheet set up right here. SHIB flight sheet new. So we got the LolMiner, we have the coin, we have the wallet, we have custom pool, and we have the total hash rate, the ETH hash algorithm, and the temperature, the hash rate right here, and the fan speed. Okay. If you go to Unmineable, you can go and select the Shiba Inu Coin and click on address. Enter your wallet address and you will get some information here within 5 or 10 minutes. And you can see on the workers, you can see your worker right here. And if you have this referral code in place, you will only have a 0.75% mining fee. Now you can just go and switch network. So you can choose ERC20 or BEP20. So for ERC20, we have a threshold of 1.5 million. If you use BEP, it's a threshold of 250,000. All right. So after that, you can just go to address one more time, and you can choose to auto pay every 12 hours when you reach 250,000 SHIB, or just uncheck this one and choose when you want to pay out. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is how you can mine Shiba Inu Coin on HiveOS with Unmineable and the miner LolMiner. Also, if you'd like to join our Discord server, you find the link in the description. We are all about mining. If you have some problem with mining Shiba Inu Coin, you can just go to coins to mine, click on Shiba Inu, and you can get help right here in the server. It would be awesome to have you on board, Have an awesome day. Take care and bye.